In this video I will show you 3 different ways how you can factory reset your Samsung Galaxy A34, A25, 24 and other Galaxy A series phones. So first let's start with the easy one if you have full access to the settings menu. And also in the later video I will show you how to do it if your phone is either faulty or it's maybe security locked in some way. Okay, so let's go to settings first and scroll basically all the way down till we see this general management. Okay, click on that, and then when you scroll all the way down you can see this reset option. Also when you go to about phone as well, you can see at the button here the reset option here. So we can click that and we can get access to all the settings here. So either you can do a full factory data reset or choose from individual settings, whichever you actually need. So for full you click that, and when you click reset it will delete all your accounts, all your data and all your pictures and stuff like that. So what if your phone is faulty in some way and maybe something's not working and you can't really get access to that, or it's not working? So the way you reset it that way is by holding this upper button and the power button basically, as the phone is turned off basically. So keep holding upper and power and don't release basically. Keep holding. Okay, and we just boot it in the factory recovery menu. So then using the volume buttons you can cycle to this wipe data and factory reset. Then with the power button select it, cycle again down to factory data reset and confirm by pressing the power button, and that's how we do it. So next, what if you got a PIN code on this phone or other security things and you can't really get by it and you're basically locked out of your phone? So if you want to reset your phone to disable this stuff, if we try to turn this phone off, you can see it's not impossible to turn it off. So the way we turn it off and get back in that factory reset menu is by holding this volume down button and the power button at the same time, and as it will shut down after some time we will quickly jump to holding the upper button and the power button basically. Okay, let's do it and keep holding basically. It will take some time obviously. Okay, hold. Okay, and jump now. I'm pressing the upper button and power button and keep holding obviously, and we were able to get back in the menu as well, and we can select the wipe data factory reset option again and restart our phone, and it will be a brand new phone basically. Anyway, if this was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you.